really good model risk for the severe weather, and also I'm back trying to let you know what is happening on this weather after this intro. Extreme weather we here, we actually going to see what is going on within that model risk, as well why I'm posting not too much about my videos because I was not really feeling sick a couple days. That's why it's going to take very long to turn back to normal. Then I will try and posting a couple more videos the next couple of weeks. And in this model risk, there's a chance for lots of like 45% chance for hail and a 30% chance of damage hail. When you're in like snit risk, that means much more bigger hail, and also include that 45. But this will be is damage wind threat. You can see where the small black area is at the 45%, and also 50% chance for tornadoes as well. It's indicated by each region, and also there's a 10% chance. But the big area is only 5% chance and a 2% chance of tornadoes as well. Locally more threat in the north of Texas is damage wind threat. This is what is going on with the temperature. There's going to be very hot air at like 6 p.m. And also there will be chance for the temperature drop as some areas in the bottom dropping very big areas. You cannot see by the temperature, but by the temperature runs, you can see the temperature drop like around like 22 degrees of Fahrenheit as well. It's very interesting as well, and until eventually will be very hot for like 70 degrees. Will be much more about all of these things with what is the other ingredients, what is how much K index. Look like we have the most K index around Texas and all the way to above the Kansas region as well of the North Plains and also South Plains as well. Look like as well how much cape, look like very strong cape. Around like 4,000 joules some areas could get to each region. There's a lot of it. And also, there's a lot of chance for tornadoes, like max out of 10. But the supercells, there's only like a max of 30% chance for tornadoes. But there's not a lot of the updrafts. But overnight, around like 1 a.m., you can see how big area it is going to get to overnight until 2 a.m. You can see it on like a Wednesday outlook. This is like more midnight threat for the Wednesday for today over tonight. But on Wednesday, there's another chance for severe weather as well. This is what is day 2 outlook. There's a chance for like 5% chance for hail and also severe risk for damage hail as well. there's 30% chance for summit region as well. And also there's like 10% chance for damage wind and damage tornadoes some areas as well. In that summit region I call damage. That's why I try to show you what is going on all of these times. All of these predicting these things are going to be much more stronger as well. This is so much impacted by each region. This formatted where the storms are happening. It's just going to get much more bigger picture when it's going lines ahead. When we get a little bit much more in depth thing, all of these things, we're going to get closer to all of these storms. When we get a little bit up close to it. For outgoing, anything will change now, but when we get to a long range, that's what I was trying to see. Just like really, this will be on like the next, like on a couple until the 20th. Temperature will be dropping like everywhere because it's below average. You can kind of see what is happening. Very good cool air drop down and rising up in the west as well. This is what I was trying to indicate by all of these temperature because it's just below average. It's just warmer or cooler than usual. That's what it is. The average it means as well. Indicated by all of these meaning things. Indicates well or not. This is what is going on with the storms. There's a couple new storms are coming down south on the Thursday threat, and then eventually much more on that Thursday. There's gonna be not lots of lightning, but there's gonna be a lot on the Sunday, 17th. But this could be easily changed when we get a little bit up close. Let you guys know what it could be the lines ahead for the next storms. But now I'm trying to feel much better, but trying to make more videos is the key when it is good or not when you're not sick. Yeah, just that's what is going on. But this will be there's hopefully there's nothing going to be interesting threat for all of these storms, headed ties for all of these next storms, any ways for these storms coming next as soon as well. Who knows what is happening all of these storms? We need to indicate it by all of these storms and also severe weather and also what is going on with the temperature. This is what is indicated. What I mean by indicated, there's lots of factors by all of these can easily changes because temperature can easily change and also the weather can easily change. But the lies ahead is all struggle for all of this weather. But this my outro. Extreme weather out here.